In this video, we will write the factored form of the polynomial shown in this graph. Step 1, x-intercepts. We have x-intercepts at -4, -2, +2, and 3. Each of these x-intercepts will correspond to a factor in the polynomial. X minus 4 would come from a factor of x plus 4. Similarly, this would give us a factor of x plus 2 and x minus 2 and x minus 3. Imagine setting each one of these equal to 0. For example, if I set x minus 3 equal to 0 and solved it, first thing I would do is I would add 3 to both sides. That would give me 3. Alright, that's the relationship between factors and zeros. So each one of these, if I set them equal to 0 and solved, would give me the x-intercept shown. So these are the factors. Now, sometimes we need to square them or cube them. We're talking about the multiplicity of the factor. Well, if it is going to be a single factor, then the graph will pass straight through. If you have a double factor, you have a bounce, sort of like this. And if you have a triple factor, it forms what is called an inflection. It sort of curves in and then curves out. It sort of flattens out a little bit and passes on through. So let's see what we have. Well, this is simple. Straight through, straight through, straight through, straight through. There's no curve, wave, bounce. Nothing interesting is happening. So these four factors will just be the way they are. Only thing we have to watch out for is sometimes we need a negative sign in front. So maybe this is one of those times. End behavior will tell us the story. Now, see how these arms are both facing down. End behavior works like this. There are four types of end behavior. Both arms up, both arms down, one down, one up, one down. So if these are the end behaviors for even degree, and these are the ones for odd degree. See how both arms are pointing down? That is the end behavior that is shown right here. Okay, that means we're dealing with even degree, by the way. But the point is, if both arms were up, that would be the positive version. But since both arms are down, that is the negative version. So we need a negative sign in front. Okay, both arms down. So negative sign is needed in the front. So this is the answer. Well, all of these have negative signs in front, so that doesn't help me eliminate anything. Well, these two that have a minus in the middle, I don't know what that's about, but that never happens. So, skirt! We're down to C and D. So let's see. We need x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. So there's my x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 4. The answer is C. Yeah, here they have x plus 3. That's just wrong. So C is the answer.